This video is closed caption in English and Spanish subtitles. Are all-inclusive resort packages worth it? Hello, travelers. Welcome, everybody. This is Anthony, also known as the Travel Droner here. On this channel, we create videos discussing amazing travel facts and amazing destinations. Join us on our journey around the world by subscribing to our channel. Please click the bell icon to get notified when we publish a new video. In today's video, we are going to talk about the all-inclusive resorts and their packages, if they are a good deal or not, and for which type of travelers they are the best choice. I will also include some tips on what to know before going to an all-inclusive resort vacation. Having worked at many all-inclusive resorts for over 11 years and stayed at hundreds of resorts, from the cheap all-inclusive hotels to the adult-only super luxury all-inclusive resort, here are my thoughts and recommendations on how to get the most out of your all-inclusive package. There are several pros and cons that you have to consider while booking an all-inclusive resort vacation. The biggest advantage is that it is budgeted and paid for up front, and many packages even include airfare, making the deal that much better and worry-free so you can leave your wallet in your hotel room safe once you get the wristband put on at check-in at the hotel reception. Then you can open a world of convenience. Everything is in your reachable proximity. Be it the pool bar or the beach snack bar, the aerobic lessons at the beach, 5 restaurants or the sports activities offered, all is unlimited, including, says your package, is it really all included? Well, yes and no. All-inclusive doesn't mean unlimited all-inclusive of everything the hotel has to offer, but more to that later in the video. Starting with the time of booking of your all-inclusive resort, this can have a big impact on what price you pay. I have met many families staying at the resort having bought the same room package, same flight, same duration of vacation, and some of them paid 50% less than the others. Now, you think, how is that possible? It is possible if you research online to look for last-minute deals or special offers instead of booking 6 months ahead with a regular high price. Best is if you are not tied down to certain times of the year like the holiday season when kids are off school, and the same package could cost probably 40 to 50% more in December for Christmas and New Year. Then you would pay in the off-season, like in May or June or summer, when it is really hot and humid and hurricane season is underway. Look for the package that provides you the best value for money. Check what's not in your package included. You know ahead and can budget for it, what you will use additionally while you're visiting the resort. In general, the basic room, basic meals at the buffet, and basic alcohol and all non-alcoholic drinks are included in your package. Basic sports activities, gym, and non-motorized beach equipment is also included. Anything extra is heavily overpriced at the resort, be it the private tennis classes, the massage or spa treatment, scuba diving after your free discovery pool lesson, jet skis, or boat rentals. The resorts bet on it that you will not use all the activities they offer. And have you already charged for it front in your all-inclusive package? So yes, you paid for the 6 a.m. sunrise yoga session at the beach, if you use it or not. Every time you are not using or not eating what the hotel has to offer, that is a money back into the resort's pocket. You lose out of the value of your package. Remember, you paid for everything up front. Might as well use it. The only way that you can make your package useful is if you do all offered activities and you stay in the resort at all times and use everything, which doesn't make any sense because if you visit a city, you would want to tour it and have a great time. You don't want to spend your entire holidays in a resort or a hotel drinking and eating. The resorts are pretty good at getting you to spend more money on top of your package. Here are a few costly upgrades they will try to push on you. Ocean view room for an expensive fee. High-speed internet in the room service, minibar, phone calls, butler services, spa treatments, excursions, premium drink packages, premium meal packages, adults-only sections, kids club fees. Also try not to forget anything at home. The stores in the hotel are ridiculously overpriced, so your $5 sun protector lotion could end up costing you $50 there. Have you ever been sitting in your hotel room and have been hungry and don't have the energy to go to a restaurant downstairs or the snack bar? You then call the room service to order some food, and when you pick up the menu to order, the price of the food on the menu blows your mind. Everything is 5 times more expensive. $25 burgers, $12 tuna sandwiches. You get dizzy looking at the prices on the menu and grab a Coke from the minibar. Wait a minute. Did you just use the minibar in your room? Don't you know that the drinks at the minibar are so expensive that even Jeff Bezos would think twice before using it? Okay, so you don't mind $5 Coca-Cola cans. Go for it. If the only free drinks presented in front of you in your room are 2 bottles of water included in your package most of the time. Another thing to consider is that staying at an all-inclusive resort, you are losing out on experiencing the destination's culture, their food and traditions, and to meet locals, talk with them, wander around at the local markets. It is hard to escape the resort's atmosphere. They're designed to keep you inside, so you spend your money there inside at overpriced items, and not in the city center with the locals, where you could get everything probably 80% cheaper than in your resort. Another disadvantage is the size of those resorts. Most have over 500 to 1,000 rooms, so the number of guests at the resort can create a crowded environment. So if you want your beach chair, you got to get up early to claim it before the crowds arrive and overrun the beach and snack bar. Expect long lines at peak hours at the bars, restaurants, and buffets. If you are looking for a quiet, beachside vacation, I would not recommend an all-inclusive resort. They are just too noisy. If it's a family-friendly resort, then get ready for some real noise and screaming as they are splashing around in the pool. 500 children around you, and if it is an adult-only all-inclusive resort and the animation staff will have the music blasting so loud your partner could not understand what you're saying sitting next to you. All in all, the all-inclusive experience is not authentic to the country you visit. You could go to 20 resorts in 20 different countries, and all would be the same mediocre, bland food with the masses tailored to the European and USA market. After staying at a few of them, you start to feel that they'll all feel the same, whether you're in the USA, Dominican Republic, Bahamas, or Mexico. So, who should book an all-inclusive resort? Families with children with a fixed budget who want to enjoy fun activities are the preferred customer for this type of vacation resort. Mom and dad can just lay at the pool or beach and relax, and the kids are taken care of by the kids club staff. They pick them up at 8 a.m. and return them by 5 p.m., spending the day playing, learning, and creating different things. The kids love it, and what a great, quiet vacation for the parents. Finally, some time off and alone without kids, but with other 1,000 guests surrounding you. If you like to stay busy with fun activities all day, ranging from fitness classes to tennis and beach volleyball and beach soccer, then book it right now. Also, people who are power drinkers and don't mind the cheap alcohol served and like to eat a lot of bland, mediocre, tasteless food and enjoy to be lazy all day at the pool or beach without leaving the resort, then book a cheap, all-inclusive. You will have a blast. All-inclusive vacations typically will not save you money since you pay for so many things you are not going to use, plus all surcharges and resort fees coming at you. They are highly convenient with everything at your fingertips. But if you want to spend most of your time exploring the destination, you're going on sightseeing tours, eating in local restaurants, and otherwise spending time off resort doing your itinerary, then I cannot recommend this type of resort vacation. You are better off staying at an Airbnb apartment on the beach or a hotel who offers room only with European plan, where you are not forced to buy the all-inclusive package and can choose to eat at the resort or outside the resort. If you are on a trip exploring the surroundings, this way you are free to choose and not tied down to the resort packages. That's all for today, travelers. If you like this video, press the like button. Comment below what you think about today's video. Also, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get updated whenever you post a video or any important update. Till then, see ya. Have a nice day.